Mark, we know that Agile is being used by more and more companies and organizations for software development. Can you tell us, how is Agile being used for other places?
Absolutely. When we talk about the use of Agile and using a Scrum framework to improve performance, it can be used in any functional area, it can be used in any industry. We're using it all across the board. Subway systems, rock amplifiers, micro-miniature medical devices, pharmaceuticals, physical construction, writing my book. I wrote my book using a Scrum model. And in fact, the only reason that the book has actually made it into the marketplace is because I used a Scrum model. There was a lot of inspect and adapt that was associated with producing the product that we actually got here at the end. And so, many times people will say things such as, well, I'd never use an Agile approach to build a bridge. Really? We are. It's called LastPlanner, and it's a should, can, will model. And we're using it to dramatically improve the performance of construction teams. I do not care what functional area you are in, finance, IT, human resources. Many times people say, human resources, how could you possibly use that? I run the Los Angeles Agile Project Leadership Network here in Los Angeles, and I recently had a woman come in from Orange County and speak about how she used the Scrum model to be able to onboard 500 new employees in 30 days. Now, I would have never thought of using Scrum in that way, and the reason why is I'm not an HR expert. But this is the great thing about Scrum. It's such a flexible framework that people are being able to take that flexible framework, overlay their domain knowledge, and produce results we hadn't even originally envisioned.